Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use this amazing effect called Luminous Gaze. So we can see how the effect looks like, where a dark shadow appears from behind and the eyes of the individual subjects begins to glow. So all you have to do is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, sign in or create an account if you do not have one. Go to visual effect, then scroll and choose the Luminous Gaze. You can also choose any other effects you want to play around with. Once you've chosen the Luminous Gaze, click on Luminous Gaze, and you'll be brought to a page like this. You can click on any of them if you want to, but if you want something different, you can. And once you click on any of them, you can actually create this particular video. So but if none of them speaks to what you have in mind, click on generate and you'll be brought to a page where you can actually customize your own video. So all you have to do is upload your image here. Now describe your prompt in this area, and choose the model of choice. I advise you always leave it as it is, because most effects work best with their models. So once you're done, click on generate and your video will be generated within minutes. And then once it's done generating, your video would appear in this way. It will appear in this area where you can now select, where you can now play it and download it. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and if you have any question, let me also know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.